AI is replacing content creators. Okay, not really, but AI can definitely affect how much money you make as a creator. I just had a call with a creator client and he's kicking himself over letting AI screw him out of thousands of dollars. The brand has made millions off of his UGC video, but he was paid once and he had no contract in place that was protecting his rights. So when the brand got full ownership in the content, along with the rights to his voice, image, and likeness, they started to use AI to generate additional videos featuring him as the creator. AI was able to use the creator's voice, image, and likeness to create new videos where it appeared as if the creator was delivering different hooks and speaking different languages. These newly generated AI videos with his face were now used as paid ads in different countries, resulting in more millions to the brand, with the creator not seeing a dime. This is the importance of prioritizing legal up front so you can have that peace of mind when you're selling your content and you don't lose out on thousands. If you need more guidance on how to license your content and how to edit the brand's contract, download my UGC bundle or get on the wait list for our influencer bundle coming out soon. And if we haven't met, hi, I'm Melissa, a creator lawyer, making legal easy to understand for creators and online business owners. Follow to stay informed.